I'm Michelle and I'm here to show you how I can get a more defined face just by using MARK makeup. You can look like a bronze goddess. So we have two products from MARK that we can use to contour and highlight. This has a soft matte to natural finish, suitable for oily, normal, or combination skin types. This one has a dewy, luminous finish and is suitable for dry, normal, or combination skin types. How to contour and strobe. First, identify your face shape. If you have a heart, round, square, or oval face shape. We need to contour the wider areas. When we contour, we use a darker shade to give a subtle definition to our face. When we highlight, we use light or shimmery makeup to highlight or lift parts of our face. Step 2. Sculpt and define. Using Dual Glow Cheek Color and Highlighter or the Light Strobing Duo, choose the darker shade and apply on the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline. Blend outward from the face using a brush or your fingers. Step 3. Strobe and highlight. Still using the Dual Glow Cheek Color and Highlighter, I will apply the lighter shade on the high points of my face. Or I can also use the Light Strobing Duo for a more lit from within glow. There, you can see that my face is naturally sculpted and glowing just by using either Dual Glow Cheek Color and Highlighter or Light Strobing Duo. Now try it for yourself and look like a bronze goddess. Make your mark.